How to verify your Gmail account with the recovery phone number. If you want to verify your Gmail account and add an extra layer of security, this video will show you how to add a recovery phone number. First, open Gmail and tap your profile icon. Now, select Manage Your Google Account to open your account settings. Next, go to the Personal Info or Security section and look for the option to add a recovery phone number. Tap Add Recovery Phone to get started. You may be asked to enter your Google account password to verify your identity. Now, enter your phone number carefully and follow the on-screen instructions. Google may send a verification code to your phone. Enter the code when prompted to confirm your number. Once verification is complete, your recovery phone number will be added to your Google account. This number can help you recover your account if you forget your password or have trouble signing in. That's how you can verify your Gmail account, by adding a recovery phone number. If you find this video helpful, click like, subscribe, and share for more Gmail and Google account tutorials.